Hello folks, I got 2010 Toyota Prius, and today I'm going to show you how you reset your oil. After you change your oil, you need to reset it. So next 3,000 or 5,000 or 10,000, whatever the case may be, it reminds you that the oil is due to change. So what you need to do is you need to press this button once. Don't press the brakes, just press it once. You're gonna notice the radio comes on, and then one more time. We're trying to put it on the on position, not starting the vehicle. So you press that one more time, and then you're gonna get the lights on the dash. At this point, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your odometer right here is, you see where you read the mileage 237. You need to change that to trip A, and to change that to trip A, you press that button and notice how it changes. So now it's nothing, and now the odometer, and now trip A. Now you see where it says trip A? That's what we need to do. Now you turn the car off. You just hit this button once, and then now you come here to this mileage button and kilometers, and you hold it, and you start the vehicle. So hold it, keep holding, and then start your vehicle. Now it's ready. Now it says resetting. Now that has set. Okay, so we're done with that. Let's gonna reset the oil. Now to reset it here on the panel, that's something else. That's more like a reminder, and to do that, that's kind of like a reminder to see how many miles. It's nice to set both of them or reset both of them, just in case you lose that sticker in the top left corner here about the mileage, and you need something else to remind you, or something else to look at to see where you at with the mileage, or how many consumption or how many mileage you got left for the vehicle to get an oil change. Anyways, you come to setup, and you go to vehicle maintenance, and you see those two options, engine oil. Now it looks like there's 0 mileage remaining because it was due for an oil change, and that's gonna, today is, actually that's not today's date. Let's see here. Today's date is December 11th 2019. So I'm not gonna worry about this later on. I'm not gonna, actually, you know what, I'm gonna just hit reset. Yes. So that's done, and now it says February 11th. It took about 3 months from that date initially was set, but because today is December 11th, I'm gonna need to change that to March 11th. So that's gonna be March 11th 2020. Perfect. So next 3,000 I keep monitoring this, or I look at, and then of course we did change the oil filter with it, so we're gonna reset that as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this. It's gonna be March 11th 2020. Looks good. That's all I needed to watch, you guys. And you can always set reminders here on certain things like the oil change and stuff. So now this is selected, so when the oil change is at 0 mileage, it reminds you that the oil change is due. Thanks for watching, folks.